Today I'm going to show you guys how to use our Facebook ruler for the Avian header. So I got my two PSDs open up top here. I got my tree for my tree life. So we're going to go ahead and just pick out the green that we want our background to be. So we'll go to the header first. The header already has a certain color to it, so we're just going to go ahead and paint over that. And then, once we're done painting over that, we are going to move the tree that we've been using into the header. Another side note with just graphics and stuff that you grab off the internet, make sure you're looking into its copyright law and also, the source of the image, just so that you know you're not stealing from anyone. That's like a more advanced video as far as doing, more branding and like really important stuff. But for educational purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and use this tree. So to add a cool element to the Facebook header, I'm going to make a box around here. And then I'm going to go find a darker green, a much darker green. And I'm going to toss that on a new layer. And then with that new layer, I'm going to drop down the opacity to about 55, and I'm going to pull it back. So now a cool thing I can do is when I add tree life, which we will use that, we can add a cool effect by deleting a small portion of that. Awesome. So there's our tree life header for Facebook. We can, tweak things and clean them up as much as we want. But we don't have anything running into the red zone, and this is definitely usable. So now to move on to our avatar, the only precautionary things you'll see on the avatar is the outer rims. We did put a little bit of a tip in here, just making sure that you're saving all your avatars for web, which I'll show you at the end of the video when we export this avatar. But definitely make sure you're doing that just to keep your work looking high quality and consistent. So we're going to grab this green, we're going to go back to the Facebook header, and we're going to go to the very back layer. We're going to go grab our tree and our tree life. And we're going to just put it right there, maybe make it a little bit bigger just so people can read it better. And then we're going to delete that, and we're going to delete that. And now we have our avatar. So once you delete everything, you can see we have a really nice looking avatar and header that took us a couple minutes thanks to the ruler. So when you're exporting both of these, just go File, Save for Web. I like to use PNG 24 with transparency checked, convert to RGB. The avatar is 800 by 800, but that's already there because we sent that to you. And then you're going to go ahead and do Save, and then you can save it to wherever you'd like. So I'll do Tree Life Avi. Save it to my desktop, and I will show you the finished product. And Tree Life. So thank you for watching, and definitely check out the other videos.